So guys, for the first method, try plugging your keyboard and mouse into a different USB port. Avoid using a USB hub, just plug it into a different USB port on your computer. For the next method, go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. Once you're on this, you want to expand both keyboards and mice. You want to find your keyboard, right click on it, and then click on properties. Now you want to go to power management. If you have allowed the computer to turn off this device to save power ticked, you want to untick this box and then click on OK. Repeat it for your mouse as well. Right click on it, properties, power management. Again, if you have allowed the computer to turn this device off to save power ticked, you want to untick the box and then click on OK. See if that works. Next, you want to expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers. You want to repeat this for every single USB root hub that you have. Right click on it and then go to properties, click on power management, and then you want to untick this box. Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Untick this box and then click on OK. Repeat this for every single USB root hub that you have. You can also update your keyboard and mouse drivers. To do that, you want to right click on your keyboard or your mouse and then click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. You can also go back and then click on browse my computer for drivers and then click on let me pick from a list. Choose your keyboard driver, click on next, and you want to install that. Also, if your keyboard or mouse comes with a software like my one does, you want to go to your software and then go to settings. Make sure that through the software, your keyboard and mouse firmware is up to date. For the next method, go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. Once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is up to date. For the last method, you want to restart your computer, come back into Windows and then try again.